Welcome to Newport Beach, California, one of the most wealthiest places in the US of A. Today, we're gonna be asking strangers, what do you do for work? How much money do you make? How can one make $1 million cash? We gotta find some contestants. Excuse me, sir, how's it going? What do you do for work?
I'm an orthopedic surgeon.
Oh wow, how much do you make annually?
Anywhere between 400, 600,000 a year.
400, 600,000. You like doing it?
Love it.
Love it. Is there any tips that you would give anybody on how to get started?
It's just a long road. You sacrifice a lot. Like I've missed funerals, bachelor parties, weddings, but it's worth it to be able to get people moving and get people doing what they love again.
100%. Hey man, thank you so much for your time.
Problem.
Yes. Hey man, $400,000 to $600,000 as an orthopedic surgeon, that's a lot of money. Do you mind if we ask you a few questions? It's just for our financial video. Stand by the way. Nice to meet you. What do you do for work?
Real estate investing.
Real estate investing.
Yeah.
And how much money do you make annually?
In between 5 to 7.
5 to 7 million. Wow.
Something like that.
And do you love what you do?
With everything I have, man.
Yeah. How long have you been doing it for?
Since I was 18.
18. How old are you now?
I'm just turned 30.
30. Wow. So 12 years.
Yeah.
Is there any tips that you would give anyone that's trying to get into what you're getting into?
Persevere, but I'd say, stay strong, stay headstrong, whatever you're doing. Find someone that does it way better than you. At the end of the day, you'll figure out either you want to do it or it's going to be something that's going to it's going to take you all the way.
I appreciate it, man. Hey, thank you for your time.
It's a pleasure to meet you, my man.
Nice to meet
of course,
you, man.
brother, yeah.
Never nervous. Because I've been doing this for 6 years, that's why. How's it going, sir? You mind if we ask you 2 questions? I'm Sam, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Mike.
SnewJ. Mike, good, I'm good. So, question. What do you do for work?
I own a little construction consulting business.
Okay. Do you have any tips on how to get started at what you're doing right now?
Work hard. It's not just done overnight. It takes time. If people want to get rich quick.
So there's no shortcuts is what you're saying?
No shortcuts in life. So sometimes people can get lucky, but most people are successful over time. It takes time to...
I like that. Any money-saving tips that you would give or like that you have?
Get out of debt, because otherwise if you don't have anybody calling you and looking for money, whatever, I mean, that's the best thing in the world is to, if you're successful, you don't need to borrow. You need to borrow money for certain things, but don't borrow money for every little nickel and dime. That doesn't, all you do is giving your money out to someone else.
Yeah, no, I like that. Hey, so, thank you so much for your time, man. Yeah, sorry to bother you again, and we appreciate it.
No worries.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Now, I'm definitely not soliciting here, but it is what it is. Oh, we got another gentleman here. Boom. Hey, so far we're 3 for 3. Actually, we're 3 for 4, but Jose didn't catch that footage. Excuse me, sir. You mind if I ask you 2 questions for a quick video? Okay. All right, my bad. I'm out. Excuse me, guys. You mind if I ask you 2 questions for a quick video? Yeah. Okay, so we're out here in Newport Beach, and we're just asking individuals like yourself, what do you guys do for work?
Drug dealer.
don't do that to me, bro. Are you really in the narcotics field, or?
I have a number of U.S. and foreign patents that I've invented products and licensed out to manufacturers, and they send me royalty checks.
How much would you say that produces you annually?
$700,000 a year or something.
$700,000. And do you have any?
Comes in just coupons, just like that.
Just keeps coming in, huh? So $700,000 a year. That's a lot of money. Now, do you have any money-saving tips to anybody watching right now?
Stock market.
Stock market.
Buy stocks and keep it over the long haul.
I appreciate that. Thank you for your time.
Right. Take care, guys.
Hey, look, we get rejected out here, but remember, rejection means redirection. Write it down. You mind if I ask you 2 questions real quick? Sure. All right, man. Take care. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, no worries. We're getting rejected left to right, but it's all good because Jose got the tights. 2 questions real quick. We just want to know what you do for work and how much do you make per year?
I work in commercial real estate.
Okay.
And it's a commission-only job.
I see.
So it fluctuates.
Yeah. How long you been doing it for?
About 4 or 5 years.
Any tips you want to give to anybody that wants to do what you do, to how to get started?
I think always be curious, always work hard, and make sure you're working with the right people.
My man, thank you so much for your time.
Got it.
Yeah. My brother, You mind if I get you in the video real quick, man? You looking fly. I see the fit. I see the drip, bro. I see the drip. Hey, we just want to know, what do you do for work?
I'm an entrepreneur. I own my own company.
Okay. What kind of company is it?
I have a sales and marketing company.
Okay. How long you been doing that for?
35 years.
35 years.
And
You look young, bro. You look like you're 35.
Yeah, man. That's when you're living good, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I maintain an SSOM. That's a superior state of mind.
Okay.
So when you have a superior state of mind, it's like, it's a third way approach.
Okay.
Somebody might see the jug half empty. Somebody might see the jug half full. The third way approach is cut the top off.
Okay.
And you get a full jug.
I like that.
So every problem, every solution, every challenge, you always look at it 3-pronged. That got me a long way, got me far.
How much would you say you generate annually from what you do?
50 million.
50 million? Bruh. I'm inspired. That's what's up, man. Any tips? Any tips you want to give on how you got started?
I bootstrapped my way to $1 million, man.
Okay.
I started off being a true student of the profession, right?
Okay.
So a lot of people say work smart, not hard.
Right. 100%.
But if you work real hard, that is smart.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I see what you're saying.
You have to have the work ethic. Success, 99% is just showing up. I remember my first $1 million in 1997 and lost it in 98.
Oh, wow.
And I did it 5 times.
Wow. So you had to kind of reinvent yourself.
So no, what I had to do was learn. When a man with experience meets a man with money, you know what happens?
What?
The man with the experience ends up with the money, the man with some money ends up with the experience. Nobody taught me how to make $1 million, but once you learn how to make $1 million, you can always do it. What they don't teach you is how to keep it.
That is true.
And so you always know how to make it. The hardest thing is learning how to keep it. Because once you make it, you become a vault.
Yeah.
And everybody's trying to get in your bank.
I like that.
Right?
Yeah.
So learn to keep it. That's more important. So
like
you're going to be measured by what you save.
Yeah.
Not by what you spend.
Hell yeah. My brother, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for your time. How you guys doing? You mind if we ask you 2 questions real quick for a video? Yeah, okay, no worries, no worries. Take care. Rejection is more than saying sorry. No, that's from a movie. My brother, you mind being in the video real quick for 2 questions? All good, man. Take care, man. We're just winging it, man. Hey, you guys have no idea how hard this is. I've been doing this for half a decade, but like for the new people, I know what you're feeling. Excuse me, you mind being in a quick video for just 2 questions? No? Okay, no problem. Thank you. Hi. You mind being in a video for 2 questions real fast? Okay, no worries.
I'm a mess, they ask me how, like LeBron, I'm ring bound. No look past it to the brow.
You mind if we ask you a few questions? What do you do for work?
I sell tires.
You sell tires?
I literally sell tires.
Okay, how much does that produce you annually?
Depends on the year and the production, but 150.
150, that's pretty good.
Depends on the year, yeah.
Yeah, what's the tire shop? Or what's the
X-Tom Tires, the car.
You have it on here?
Oh, right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's it right there.
So you're the founder?
Small company, privately held.
Oh yeah, you have any tips on if people want to do what you do?
If you love what you do, you never work a day in your life.
I appreciate that,
that's
man. Thank you so much
Of
for
course,
your time.
dude.
Excuse me, sir. You mind if I ask you a few questions for a quick video?
Sure.
Cool. What's your name?
Ben.
I'm SnewJ. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you do for work?
I work in technology.
What company?
Title insurance.
Any tips on how to get started in what you do?
Learn about the industry that you're interested in and look at opportunities of what you're passionate about and where your skills are. And I think that looking at areas where you can be helpful.
Heck yeah. And how long you been doing it for?
13 years.
13 years. And you love it, huh?
I do.
My man. Thank you so much. Appreciate
Thank you, guys.
Have a good one.
My brother, you mind if I get you on a quick video? 2 questions? No? Hi, how's it going? You mind being in the video if we ask you 2 questions? My name is SnewJ. Nice to meet you. Susan. Yeah, Susan. Nice to meet you. What do you do for work? Oh, okay. What did you do when you weren't retired?
I did special events.
Oh,
I did weddings.
Okay.
Primarily.
Oh, nice. How much did that generate you annually?
I could make maybe in a good year 100.
100? That's still pretty good.
It was very good.
You love what you did, huh?
You have to because it's very tiring.
Yeah. No, I feel that. It seems like long hours and lots of planning and all of that. Any tips on anyone that wants to do what you do?
Just get some background to it. You just can't go into something like that knowing nothing.
Yeah.
It will eat you alive.
You think
And you'll get sued over it.
You think knowing someone that does it already to help you
have
get
to mentor
shortcuts?
them. I did.
Okay, so you had a mentor, you recommend a mentor?
Absolutely.
100%. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. You mind being in a video real quick? 2 questions? No worries. Take care. Thank you. What do you do for work?
I'm a school board trustee.
Okay. Do you like what you do?
Yeah, I've been doing it for 16 years.
16 years. Wow. And how much would you say you generate per year?
Our budget is close to like $450 million.
Oh wow. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. Is there any tips you would give anybody if they wanted to do what you do?
First of all, I think someone has to be passionate about education, especially, you know, for all kids. And to make sure in this area, I'm a trustee in this area, and our kids go on to do remarkable things. They're the ones who you want to be talking to because they've already started businesses.
Gotcha.
They're going to college and beyond.
I love that. Yeah. No, thank you so much. All right, guys. So welcome to the mall where there's nobody here. As you can see, we got stores like Bossa Nova. Don't you bring me down today. You mind being a quick YouTube video? Oh, okay, you're good. Mind being in a quick YouTube video?
Okay.
Yeah, vlog. So, what do you do for a living?
I produce documentary film.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
What are some of the documentaries you produce?
It's all about nature and conservation, ecology, endangered species, etc.
How much do you make?
That is high day rates because there's multi-million-dollar budgets involved, but it's also very stressful days.
Do you love what you do?
Yes, totally.
And how long you been doing this for?
For a long time, since the early 90s.
Nice. Now, is there any inspiration to the youth you want to give that will, if they want to do what you do, or just any money saving tips, anything that you have in mind?
Get a financial advisor. Even if you're only putting away a few $100s a month, you get used to that and it builds up.
Okay.
It's really important to start ahead early on to get independent. And do what you love, otherwise you're never going to hold up.
Thank you
You
so
gotta
much
do
for
what
your
you love.
time.
You're
Yeah, we
welcome.
appreciate
Very
it.
welcome.
Take care. How you doing, man? Hey, out of curiosity, we just want to know, what do you do for work?
I work at a tech startup.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the name of the tech startup?
It's called Immerse.
Immerse. Okay, you like what you do?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
I recognize you.
Yeah? Really? From where?
This is probably YouTube.
Yeah, we're doing a YouTube video. Yeah, we're SnewJ. Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro.
Hell yeah.
How much?
I liked your name when I first found it. I was like, I like this dude's like YouTube handle.
Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Yeah. How much do you make at that startup?
Do I have to share?
It could be an estimate. It doesn't have to be exact. It could be like a range, like
around 100K.
100K.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up. Any tips or anything that you want to give to the audience? I mean, as of right now, working at this tech startup, you got
Invest in tech, man.
Invest in tech.
Yeah.
It's the future.
Yeah,
Web3?
Ed tech in particular.
Okay.
Educational technologies.
Okay.
I work in the metaverse, so I work for a VR company.
Oh, okay. So you're in the Web3.
Yeah, exactly.
Bruh.
So what we're doing,
both
you get it. Are you? Good man. So I don't know if you're working with NFTs, but
yeah,
that's kind of like the hip thing to do now, right? Like get
100%.
your company, whether it's virtual real estate or an NFT. But we're doing language education.
I see.
In the metaverse, in virtual reality. So if you can imagine, like, someone, a Japanese professional who needs to learn English to be able to get employed at Google.
Yeah.
So you do it virtually. They'll put on a headset. They'll be in like the metaverse of learning. So people working their way into the metaverse and Web3, like what it really does is it provides an embodied experience with sort of what we know as like the digital reality of our phone.
I like
the ability to like engage with entertainment, media, digital content like that. It just gets way more real and immersive.
I like that. No, I like that. Everyone in the bear market, we're all building, right?
Yeah,
so
right.
I'm glad you're building, and thank you.
I love to see you. It was probably like 6 or 7 years ago where I saw you on YouTube. So
really, that's
the
what's
fact
up,
that you
bro.
still have a camera out here. Yeah. You're mic'd up. You got your boy.
Yeah,
over
dude.
here.
We started a new channel. We started a new channel on like entrepreneurship, mindset, finance.
Cool.
So we're just kind of like going around asking individuals like yourself. What's up, bro? Okay. For sure, brother. Okay, we'll be out of here. Yeah, thank you, man. Let's go. All right, so we got kicked out. They said we can't film without a permit, but we're in 2022, bro. We're in the metaverse. We should be able to film anywhere. What happens if we go to the metaverse and we can't film in there, in the metaverse? It's all good. Hey, we gotta respect everyone's rules, But then again, rules are man-made. You do whatever you want. You make stuff happen. No hezzy.